you can see we have two of the seemingly same character. This was from, I have to say, 2022 maybe, and this is what I just finished. It is based off of the Texas Blind Salamander, and I'd like to show some things I've learned. The first thing is, Texas Blind Salamanders are extremely pale. They're very pale, kind of translucent. So even though the dark skin would give it a nice contrast, it wouldn't necessarily be accurate. Since they're blind and they're very graceful, so I feel like they'd have less patterned restricted clothes, and they'd have more like plain flowy clothes that adapts with their environment because they move very gracefully and fluidly, and I feel like they wouldn't want to be restricted to these types of clothes. Another thing is we have 5 fingers here, and here we have 4 fingers because on their front limbs, Texas Blind Salamanders actually have 4 toes, and on their feet they have 5 toes. And to me, they've always seemed graceful and fluid, kind of ethereal in a way, so I tried to capture it more, and I made their pose more fluid instead of static. I also made their limbs slender because if you look at a Texas Blind Salamander, they have like maybe limbs about this big, if anything. And if you look at them, they also have a lack of pigment in their skin, so I feel like they'd wear maybe like white clothes, whitish, pinkish clothes. And also because of their red gills, I put a kind of necklace, frilly necklace here to go along with that. And Texas Blind Salamanders' faces are very broad, and I tried to capture it better, make the face very broad. If you look at a Texas Blind Salamander, the first thing you're probably going to notice is their face, right? So I tried to make the details and the accessories prominent here more so than the rest of the body. Other than that, if you have any suggestions or names that I could name them, then that would be great, actually.